Well, good afternoon, dear students. How are you today? How are you doing?
Very good.
Very good. Is all okay?
Yes.
I'm so pleased to see you today. Please come here. Take one piece of puzzle. Please come here. Take one piece of puzzle here. Okay? Okay. Take one of them. Take one of them, please. Only one piece. Okay. And please, look at the back of the piece. Look at the back. Can you see number?
One.
Who got number 1? You should see it here. Who got number 2? You should see another table. Okay? Change your places. Change your places. We are going to divide into 2 groups. Okay? Now let's begin to make puzzles. Solo bird. Solo bird. Please. Another piece of quickly make puzzle, okay? Another piece of salt. Quickly make together. Let's make puzzle together. You can come here. Help. Have you done? Not yet. Okay. Okay, quickly.
1 minute.
1 minute, okay, 1 minute. For doing that. Wow, great. Wow, great. Yeah, right. Who is the first? Second group is that. Oh, well done. Great. Okay, what kind of bottle? What the picture? And the grasshopper. Great. Well, what about you? In English, swallow, bird, and the mosquito. You are right. And what do you think? What's the theme of our lesson today?
It's swallow bird and
It's about swallow bird?
It's about animals, I can say.
About animals. Okay. Another opinions?
Talk about fairy tales.
They'll talk about fairy tales. Yeah, it seems that animals, fairy tales, legends, and fables. What does it mean?
It's something
About
stories.
traditional stories. Yes, you are right. About traditional stories. Please look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. What can you spell?
Traditions.
Yeah, you can see the family photo, and you can see grandma is talking. What is she doing? Maybe she's talking about granddaughter. Yeah, you are right. She is talking about, maybe she is telling the story, traditional story to your granddaughter. What about this family? What about this family?
Big family.
They are friendly family, and they have good relationship. Today's theme, relationships, and talking about traditional stories. Okay, how do you think? What we should have from this lesson? What is the purpose of our lesson?
We should learn more about traditional stories and traditions.
Learn more about traditional stories. And what can you tell? What can you add about our purpose? Yeah, it's goal of our lesson. Yeah, you should tell about traditional stories. Yeah, and what do we need to talk about traditional stories? What do we need? How do you think? Maybe we need good pronunciation. Maybe we must must be able to read, okay? And we should have good vocabulary. Yeah, we should have good vocabulary. And of course, we need phrasal verbs. Yeah, you are right. We need phrasal verbs. Can you tell me about the function of phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs. Here, three kind of function. And the two of them false. Only one of them is right. How do you think? What is function of the phrasal verbs? How do you think?
It's a group of words that indicate action.
Wow, well done. It's a group of words that indicate action. It consists of, can you read, okay?
It is a group of words that indicate action. It consists of a verb followed by a particle, either a preposition or an adverb. We often use them in spoken English. They have a different meaning from the original word.
Great meaning. And what do you see? What's another thing? What is? They show direction, time, place, location. Another group. How do you think? What is? Maybe it's pronoun, maybe preposition, maybe noun.
Record the speech.
Prepositions. On the table, under the table, yeah? Okay, you are right. And the third one is replace nouns. For example, Aynur goes to the school, or she goes to the school. It is about pronouns. Today we are going to use only phrasal verbs. You are right. Okay, now I distributed the papers, you know, and open on page 68 from your students' books, please. 68. Have you opened the 68? Oh, 68. Have you found? Well done. Please, your group, find 4 phrasal verbs from this text. You, another 4. Here we can see 8 phrasal verbs. Can you find? Okay, boys, I want to begin from you. Ali. Yeah? Can you find? In blue. Come down, yes. Come down. Make up. Pass down, and the first one. Okay, another.
Made up.
Look it in.
Okay. Look into. Come down. Okay, great. Now, very good. Do you know the meaning of these phrasal verbs?
Yes.
You know? Okay. Well, here are the definitions of these phrasal verbs. Make up, come down, pass down, find out, get mad, come up with, look into, and keep on. Okay, now please try to remember the definitions of these phrasal verbs. Can you try to remember them?
Yes.
Okay. Quickly, can you translate them in Kazakh language? Okay. Make up, invent a story. Yeah, you are right. Second one, come down, shula. Can you translate into Kazakh? Basu. Yeah, you are right. Okay, what about you, Mary? The third one, pass down. We pass down from generation to generation. We pass down the traditional stories from grandma to granddaughter. Yeah, okay, you are right. What about find out? Yours. Try to find, explain in Kazakh language, find out. Great example. Okay, what about get mad? Come up with to suggest. Yours? Very well. What about look into? Yeah, you are right. What about the keep on? Oh, great. Give attention to the blackboard and try to find right definition of phrasal verbs, okay? You can answer together. Together, try to find together.
What's the voice?
Get mad? Yes. Is it right?
Yes.
Okay. It is right. Next one. To give or teach something.
Pass down.
Is it right?
Calm down.
Calm down.
Keep on.
You are right. Keep on.
Make up.
Oh, you know the meaning of the phrasal verbs. It's very well.
Looking to.
Suggest us.
Looking out. Looking.
Look into.
Come up with.
Is it right?
Yes.
Come up with.
Yes.
Yeah, you are right.
Calm down.
Calm down. Next one.
Find out.
Okay. And the last one.
Looking.
To examine. It's right. Of course, it's right. Well done, guys. Well done. And the last for the first one, you should complete the worksheet with the phrasal verbs. Worksheets are on your desks. Have you got? Okay. Please find the phrasal verbs, the meaning of the phrasal verbs. Have you got? Okay. Right here, the phrasal verbs. Look through the definition. Don't forget write your surnames, okay? Okay. One of them. Right. Only 1 minute. 1 minute. Finished?
Yes.
Wow. All right, I finished it. Shugula. Great. Okay, thank you. Write your surname. Don't forget write your surnames. Thank you very much, boys. I finished. Yay, Malim. Okay, it's okay. I can write. Okay, give me a paper. Thank you very much. One. It's okay. Thank you. And the first task is here. For first task, you need 3 points. 3 points. Okay? Please assess yourself. Assess yourself. It's okay. It's yours. You can take the slide. Right? Please stick. Okay. You complete all the phrasal verbs. 3 points. Okay? Have you done? Okay. Next task. For the first row and the second row. Please open. Open this. Open. Okay. Are you open? Here the question word. You should make 3 question sentences, okay? 3 question sentences. Yeah. Right here your questions, right here. Right here, the first question, second question, and the third question. Right here your questions, okay? Right here. You should write the questions. From green cards, you complete only 1 question, okay? Yeah. No, you can write. Right. Okay. Third question.
Children.
Give me your question paper. 2, great. Now let's change your questions. Change your questions. You should answer for the following questions from the text. Find the questions from the text, okay? You can write here the answer. You can write and you speak, okay, about this question. Yeah, what is wolf's head? Yeah, what about the wolf's head? Yeah. What happened with head? Right here. Yeah, right with your pen. Right here your answer. Just draw. Yeah, right. Okay, you can write or maybe you can follow about it. Great.
Right.
I still think about names
What does she think?
She used to think that it was made up by her grandma,
And then?
she didn't know that they were traditional.
Yeah, right. You can write here because they should read your answer, okay? Not only you. And then, second one? What does she think about it? What does she think? She thinks? She thinks. Traditional beliefs. Traditional beliefs. Yeah. What about traditional beliefs? Yeah. You have that. You please read the question and the answer. Please begin from the first question, okay? Let's listen to each other.
His heart instead of his body, he lost his.
Question. Have you?
What results?
Is it right?
Yes.
Yeah, it is right. Okay, next question. Read the next question, please.
What did Ahmed parents use to tell her? What parents use to tell her a traditional story?
Have you listened? Is it right? Okay, next question. Please read next question.
What does Amari think about What does Estelle think about the hammers for children? She thinks they seem old-fashioned.
Old-fashioned? Is it right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, thank you very much. Next one.
What the narratives about traditional stories who came up with them?
Yeah. That's all?
Yes.
Yes. Is she right?
No.
No? Okay, can you add your idea?
Amari thinks that they're very old.
They're old. She thinks that they're old.
She thinks that people came up with them, and she thinks also that they're old.
It's okay. You are old. Yeah, you're right. Okay? That's all? All the questions? Okay. We have done the task 2. Yeah. We have done the task 2 and you need 2 points.
Yes.
Okay. You can assess yourself. Add 2 points for your assessment paper. Okay? Have you assessed yourself?
Yes.
Okay. We are going to do the next task. This is a diagram. Can you see?
Yes.
Solo bird. Yeah, solo bird. We're talking about the legend about solo bird's feather. Okay? And the next group You are going to complete the diagram about and the right. Yeah, you are right. Okay, here's the questions for full diagram. Okay. Yeah, here's the questions. Here's the moral. Yeah, right. Main chapter the theme. Here's the task. Please. The theme of the fable, main characters, the keyword, the moral of the story. Who did you use to tell your traditional stories? It's about you. Who? Maybe your grandma. Okay, one question was this part. The second? And then it's the moral of the. Okay, write the first one. You can come here and write together. Come here and write together. Okay? Write the answers here. And the moral here, okay? All together, right? Only 5 minutes doing that, okay? Only 5 minutes. Right? You can come here. Come here and write together, okay? Boys, come here. Because you have only 5 minutes for doing that. Right. You can use your markers.
Story. Home shopper, grass shopper. Yeah.
I will stick it at the blackboard. Now the first group, have you finished? First group. Yes, of course. Complete, okay? Not only yes. Girls? Can I stick right? Another? Okay. Okay, the second group, please you listen to another group. You can sit down and please present your poster, okay? Present your poster. Кішкене былай ашып қоясыз. Well, begin. Okay.
The tail and the grasshopper.
And the grasshopper, okay?
Characters in story.
You listen, okay?
Characters in story and grasshopper.
You are right. And another?
The keywords is ant, grasshopper, hard work, summer and winter.
Well done. Что было?
Relating to beliefs about what is right or wrong.
Okay. Well. Girls, continue, please.
Who did ask to tell you tradition stories? My grandmother asked to tell me tradition stories.
Okay. Well done. Have you finished? Okay. Would you pass down this traditional story to your granddaughters in the future? Great. Well done. Take a seat, please. Another group. Go on to present your poster. Yeah. Can you stand here? Okay, it's right. Begin from the first question. Quickly, girls, boys, quickly. Listen, another row.
The them of the table, while the swallow's tail is
Қарлығаштың құйрығы.
okay, right? This in the main characters, swallow bird, and the keywords, birds, and the mosquito, animals.
You are right. You are right. You can add another voice yours.
The moral of the story.
The moral, the main part. Okay, the moral.
The moral is that we should work hard and think about our future.
Yeah, we shouldn't be lazy. Yeah. Okay. What can you add?
What it does to tell my traditional stories, my grandma, my parents, and my friends.
You are right. Thank you. And there's the last question.
We should pass down the traditional stories. Yes, I will pass down the traditional stories to my children.
You think so? Okay. Very good. Very good. You can take a seat, please. And it was the third task. For this task, you need how many points? 3. 3 points. Please stick your points to your assessment. 3 points. Yeah, 3 points. Yeah. Okay, the next task is can you take care of yourself? Pay your work. You will work with payer, okay? Pay your work. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. You should, what you should do? You should find the, order the parts of the song. Order the parts of blue. Right here. Okay. Give to another group. Only 3 parts. You will work together. Teamwork. Have you got clues? Okay. Just a moment. Okay, another group. Quickly. Paperwork. Yeah.
I have a big.
Great. Okay. Go quickly. How do you see?
We answer.
Great. Very much. Very well. Have you done? Yeah. Is it same with you? Same?
Yes.
Same? Yes. I don't think so. You began from the I am cold. They began from the in the summer. Let's change.
In the
No,
summer.
right? Same.
In the summer.
Same. Great. Okay. That's okay? Great. Now let's sing this song together, okay? Every day. On this day, lovely. I will sing all the while as the sun shines. With the morning I will dance, I will play. In the afternoon I will sing. But the grass grows still in the plain. The heart in the shore. When it's cold you will have much to spare. When I feel Chocolates, and it's with motivated words to you, okay?
Thank you.
Yours? Now, yours, please. Yes, you should have 2 points. You are right. With motivated words, you can take. I love the voice. Yeah, thank you. And now. You should have here 2 points. You are right. Okay? Now, you should. Yeah, you should. Scan QR code. Yeah, Google. You should find your camera. And now. Just a moment. Please scan the QR. You should write your opinions about this lesson, your reflection, okay? Write your reflections, and you should turn on the submit at the end of, okay?
The lesson was good.
Was good, okay?
I like this lesson because the lesson was interesting and practical.
Great, thank you very much. What about another students? Yeah, please.
I think this lesson was great and it helped me to understand more.
Very well, thank you very much. Yours, would you like to add something?
I learned phrasal verbs and the lesson was interesting.
Thank you very much. Another boys, yours, would you like to add something? Yours?
This lesson was very well and interesting. I was learning phrasal verbs.
Phrasal verbs, and you can talk about traditional stories. Yeah? Okay, you can choose one of these aspects, you know, and if you understand this lesson, you should put to this version the asset, okay? If you don't understand to another version, okay, you can take us, please.